Let's discuss what kind of niches we have to test in 2022. They're gonna be super hot in the particular season, and why not do not test them? So let's get started. Even for eco-friendly people, it could I'm the eco-friendly guy. I'm gonna be broccoli, which is having biceps, whatever. It's gonna be two niches in one. First niche is gonna be gym and fitness, and that is your time. On the beginning of the spring, you must test it some things which is gonna be related to the body improvement. And one of the last one, which is number 6, just keep it close. That's something which could be a game changer for you. It is religion niche. Find out the golden sentence which is having super warm touch appeal to that audience. Speak to you soon and have a great testing phase for yourself. See you.